Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am doing something for a subscriber of mine. Now, she did recently watch my new sewing machine video. I will go ahead and link that video down below for you. I recently received a gift from my husband, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. And so one of my subscribers asked me to take different swatches of fabrics and just do a straight stitch through them so she could see how it worked. So I did fire up my machine yesterday. And it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you down to where the sewing machine is and let you watch me try some straight stitches. All right, so I have red thread both in the upper and lower threads, and that way you can see it easily. It is set for just your standard straight stitch. And the first fabric is a quilting fabric. This is just your basic cotton that you use for quilting or to make a blouse, shirt, like a dress shirt. So let's go ahead. I have it folded, so it will be going through 2 layers. And we're just going to start. I'm just going to run them all through. This is cotton fabric, but it's sheets. So this is an actual bed sheet that's been cut up. So we're going to try that one. This is, it feels like a like an outdoor fabric to cover chairs outdoors, so it feels like that. It went through that hem easily. This is like a canvas. It is also like upholstery. That's the word I was looking for, like upholstery fabric. And this can be used for that as well, or to make bags, anything canvas-like. Now we're going to go for the hard stuff. This is velvet. And then this is knit. It doesn't, it's like a, I don't know, it's like just a 2-way or a 1-way knit. I don't know how to say it, but it doesn't stretch at all going this way, but it does going this way. And there's 2 pieces here. It's just, I cut a sleeve. So there's 2 pieces there. And the last thing is denim. Now, I don't have any of my denim swatches at all, and this was an experiment piece, and but it is denim, so we're going to go through that. So we're just going to slip it in here. I'm going to slow the speed down. Oh, interesting. Okay. So when I got to the denim, it didn't like it at all. So It might be just because of the needle. I'm not sure, because this is the first time I've used the machine. So now I have a little bit of a mess in here. How can I get that out? So this was my first jam, and coming out easily. The needle's not broken, so that's good. You know, plus I was trying to go through, these are all like hems at the bottom of your jeans, and that's what these are, little strips of what's at the bottom. They're all seams is what that is. So it didn't like going through that. I do want to try it again. So that's all you do there. Okay, so let's try it again and see what it does. Okay. And it does have an automatic cut. So you can see this stitch. It's a very nice, clean stitch. Ooh, I have a tail here. There we go. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. Also very neat. So let's look at the other swatches. Now the first one was this one. A very simple cotton. And here's the back side. So everything looks really nice. Here's the sheet, the back side. This is that upholstery fabric. I mean, it did go through everything very well, I have to say. Other than that little snafu. All right, now the velvet's going to be hard to see. But it's a very nice, neat stitch. On the back, it's very nice and neat as well. Now here is our knit. That also sewed very, very well. So I have to say that after all of these fabrics, even the denim, I mean, you can expect little snags like that every once in a while. But I just reset and went for it again, and it sewed really nice through a heavy denim seam. So if there's anything else you would like to see me do with this sewing machine, it'll give me a learning opportunity because there's a lot to learn on this machine. And yeah, just let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to do something for you. Thank you for coming by. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.